Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a new slide in LibreOffice Impress. So we have a few options, so let's get straight into it. So the first one is by keyboard shortcuts, so we can press Ctrl M and we have instantly a new slide. So I will delete this slide now. Then we have another options under the menu bar. So if we navigate to the slide tab, click on it, and then we can press new slide right over here. Now the third option is that we can press here in the empty space of these slides, right click with your mouse, and then you will see here new slide. This is one options also. Okay, so now we have the one more option right here in the toolbar. So if you go to the end of this toolbar, you will see this file with some orange star at the left top corner. So here you can select the layout basically of your new page, like so. Now for managing new slides, you can change layout. Right here on the right side, you will see that you can manipulate with the layouts. Then you can also add this slide to the end. If you long press and hold with your left button on your key on your mouse, you can move this freely. Then you can also duplicate this slide, so you can do that if you right click with your mouse, and then you will see here duplicate slides, rename slides, hide or delete slide. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.